This is Captain Anthony with Pocket Change Inshore Fishing Charters. This is Captain Chris.
What's going on?
So what do you think about these Shimano Reels that we've been using on the boat?
Oh man, I love it since we switched over. When it comes to big tackle, big grouper, some tarpon, big snook, we've been using the big size SW 8000 and 6000 Spheros. Super smooth, loud drag. You can't go wrong. You got this nice big handle over here, which makes it easy to crank. Not the lightest in the world, but light enough to do the job, and also feel sturdy in your hand. It doesn't feel like you're going to break it because it's just too light or fragile. Oh man, it's a tank.
Yeah.
It's a freaking tank. We have been killing big fish on these. I think we got a 11-foot lemon shark on a 6000.
Yeah, yep.
We got a 8-foot shark on the same reel, and it works just as if it was right out of the box. Outside of that, we've also been using the Spheros on the lighter, or the Inshore Spheros. It's the HG is the model for that. We've been using 3000 and 4000s, and on some fish that have made some mistakes, we've actually gotten some keeper grouper up to the boat on 3000 and 4000 Spheros. Once again, smooth as butter, great drag, good line capacity, everything you're going to ask for in an inshore reel and to do the job that you need. And then you've also been using some Nausies on your boat as well, haven't you?
Yeah, the Nausi's been paying off pretty good too.
And that's actually being touted by Shimano as a freshwater reel, but we've been using it in the saltwater. Held up great, haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. Tell us what you do to maintain these on a daily basis when you come in from fishing.
So when you want to maintain these reels, you don't want to hose them down. You want to do a light mist on them, and then maybe go over them with a little bit of cleanse oil.
Like on a rag or a wipe, not spraying it on, trying to keep it off the line, correct?
Correct, yep. Other than that, I've been using these reels now for the past couple months, and
so probably going on about 6 months now.
Yeah, yep, no problems. Smooth as the day that we bought them. I really love them, and the price. I mean, you can't go wrong that's a $100 reel. You can't go wrong with the price. It's a really good reel. And, you can pick these reels up over here at St.Pete Fishing Outfitters.
Tarpon Fishing Outfitters.
Tampa
Fishing Outfitters.
Yep, Tampa. Exactly. And, like I said, it's the really good reels, and that's what we use on our boat.
And we're running 2 trips a day sometimes, or even more, and pounding fish and big fish. And really, I don't want to quite say abusing, but putting these reels to the test on a daily basis. And if they can hold up under the conditions and extreme situations that we're putting them under, imagine if you're fishing twice or 3 times a week, that reel's going to last you years. Like we said, guys, if you're interested in these reels or anything else from Shimano, go ahead and check them out. Tampa Fishing Outfitters, St. Pete Fishing Outfitters, as well as Tarpon Fishing Outfitters. They'll be able to answer all your questions, all of the specs, and put you with the right reel that's going to match your rod perfectly. Thank you, guys.